In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Office 365 with 1 TB OneDrive storage. We'll be going through the process directly from Microsoft's official website, so everything stays straightforward and secure. If your goal is to get access to Microsoft 365 and the included OneDrive storage, this method keeps things simple and helps you choose the plan that fits your needs. To begin, open the Microsoft page for comparing Microsoft 365 plans and pricing. This is the main page where Microsoft lists the available subscription options, along with the features included in each one. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around so you understand what's being offered. You'll usually see different plans designed for personal or family use. And this is helpful because storage, apps, and pricing can vary depending on the option you choose. Next, scroll down a little and choose your plan. This is an important part of the process because the plan you select determines what you get, including the amount of cloud storage, the Microsoft apps included, and whether the subscription is intended for one person or multiple users. If you're mainly looking for 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage for yourself, make sure you're selecting the option that clearly includes that amount. It's always a good idea to read the plan details carefully before moving on, just to avoid choosing the wrong subscription. After you've found the plan you want, click on Buy Now. This will take you to the next stage, where Microsoft starts preparing your selected subscription for checkout. At this point, you're moving from browsing into the purchase flow, so make sure the plan shown on screen still matches what you intended to buy. Small details like billing frequency or plan type are worth checking here before you continue. Then, click on Continue. This advances you further into the purchase process and brings you closer to completing your subscription. Depending on your region or account status, Microsoft may guide you through the remaining checkout steps after this, such as confirming your selection and proceeding to sign in or payment. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully and review everything before finalizing the purchase. And that's it. By going to the Microsoft 365 comparison page, selecting the plan you want, clicking Buy Now, and then clicking Continue, you'll be on the right path to getting Office 365 with 1 TB of OneDrive storage. If you're following along, take your time with the plan selection step, since that's the part that matters most for getting exactly what you need.